In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize Zendesk tickets. Whether you're new to Zendesk or looking to streamline your customer service process, organizing your tickets efficiently is crucial for providing top-notch support. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to access your Zendesk account. Go to the Zendesk website and you'll see a Sign In button. Click on that and click Sign In again if prompted. This is where you'll enter your email address and password associated with your account. Once that's done, either hit the Enter key or click Sign In to proceed. It's important key to remember your credentials to avoid any login issues that might delay your ticket organizing process. Once you're successfully logged in, your next step is to navigate to the Zendesk product section. This action will help orient you within Zendesk's suite of tools and ensure you're starting from the right place. After locating the Zendesk products, look out for the Admin Center and click on it. This is where the core of customization happens, allowing you to personalize your workspace based on your needs. The Admin Center is your control room. From here, you will be making all the changes to how your tickets are organized. Following that, you'll need to select Workspace. Why, you ask? Because Workspace is where you can truly begin to shape your ticketing environment to match your workflow. It's all about making Zendesk work for you and not the other way around. Now that you're in the workspace area, your next click should be on Views. Views are essentially different lenses through which you can see your tickets. They allow you to segment tickets into manageable groups based on criteria you set, making it much easier to prioritize and respond to them efficiently. Are you ready to start customizing? Great. Look for the option to Add View. This is where you create your very own bespoke view. Think of it as setting up a new lens that focuses exactly on the tickets that matter most to you at any given time. When creating a new view, you'll be prompted to give it a title. Choose a name that clearly describes the view for easy reference later. This could be based on the type of customer query, urgency, or any other system that works for your organizational needs. Next up, adding rules to your view. This is key to ensuring that the right tickets end up in the right view. You can add rules based on ticket status, assignee, tags, and more. The better your rules, the more efficiently you'll navigate through your daily ticket queue. Lastly, don't forget to save your new view. All the setup in the world won't help if you don't hit that save button. Once saved, your new view will be readily accessible, helping you streamline your workflow and respond to your customers more swiftly. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to organizing your Zendesk tickets. Remember, the goal here is to make your customer service process as efficient as possible, ensuring that no customer query goes unanswered. Feel free to play around with views and rules to find the best setup for you and your team.